Look down at your jacket or your favorite pair of jeans right now and find the zipper. Take a really close look at that tiny piece of metal you pull up and down every single day. There is an incredibly high chance that stamped right into the metal are three simple letters: YKK. Have you ever wondered what they actually mean, or why this one company seems to have a total monopoly on your wardrobe? You have probably used thousands of these in your lifetime without ever asking how three letters from Japan ended up on almost every piece of clothing on the planet. It is not just a random brand. It is the signature of a multi-billion-dollar empire built on an almost fanatical obsession with a single, simple goal. Today, we are unzipping the mystery of the most famous letters in the world of fashion. To understand why those letters are everywhere, we have to travel back to Tokyo in the year 1934. A young and determined tinkerer named Tadao Yoshida started a very modest company making zippers. Back in those days, zippers were actually a relatively new invention, and to be honest, they were mostly terrible. They jammed constantly, they snagged on fabric, and they broke far too easily. Yoshida looked at these failing fasteners and saw a massive opportunity. He eventually named his company Yoshida Kogyo Kabushiki Kaisha, which translates to Yoshida Manufacturing Corporation. If you take the first letter of those three Japanese words, you get YKK. But the name is the least interesting part of the story. Yoshida was completely obsessed with quality in a way that most manufacturers would find exhausting. He understood a fundamental truth about clothing. A broken zipper does not just ruin the zipper, it ruins the entire garment. If the zipper on an expensive winter coat or a high-end backpack fails, the entire item becomes useless. To Yoshida, a piece of clothing was only as good as its weakest link, and he was determined that that link would never be his. But that's not even the most impressive part of his strategy. To ensure that every single zipper was perfect, Yoshida pioneered a business concept called vertical integration, and he took it to an absolute extreme. He was not satisfied buying raw materials from outside suppliers because he felt he could not guarantee the quality of their metal or their fabric. So he decided that his company would simply make everything themselves. And when I say everything, I mean it literally. Today, YKK does not just assemble zippers. They smelt their own brass, they weave their own polyester, and they even spin and twist their own thread. But the obsession goes even deeper than the materials. When Yoshida couldn't find manufacturing machines that met his high standards, he had his own engineers design and build customized zipper-making machines from scratch. They even manufacture the cardboard boxes used to ship the products to clothing factories. By controlling every single micro-step of the manufacturing process, they achieved the level of reliability that no competitor could match. Beyond the machines and the metal, Yoshida operated on a personal philosophy he called the cycle of goodness. He believed deeply that no one prospers unless they render benefit to others. For his company, this meant producing the absolute highest quality product at the lowest possible price. Today, they produce over 7 billion zippers every single year, which is roughly half of all the zippers on the entire planet. For major clothing brands, choosing YKK is a total no-brainer. A manufacturer will not risk destroying the reputation of a $100 pair of jeans just to save a fraction of a cent on a cheaper off-brand zipper. They choose the three letters that guarantee peace of mind. So, the next time you zip up your coat to head out into the cold, take a second to appreciate those three little letters. It's a perfect reminder that mastering one simple thing with total dedication can truly change the world. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden history of your closet, please hit that like button and share this video with a friend who appreciates a good mystery. Make sure to subscribe because there's always a deeper story behind the things you use every day. Until next time, stay curious.